Welcome you to this video on modeling a VBlock using Creo parametric software. This video could be a first step for beginners like students who are interested to learn modeling. So here we shall see a simple component with a base and a central block with a V groove in the top. You should be aware that this component can be modeled by various methods. A short and easy method is followed here. So three-dimensional isometric view of the component is given to understand the component easily and concentrate more on the software. Let us move to the video now. Now we will see how to model this component. So here it is like a V block which is placed in the middle of a base block. So there are two blocks and we cannot model this as a single feature. Okay, there is a clear offset on all the sides for the center block. So conventionally we generally we do the base block first, but in this case it is convenient to do the V block first. So the top feature we will do first and then we will come to the base block. Okay, so we will create two features to extrude. So now just look at the top portion alone. Okay, so it is like a rectangular block with a V shape. Now the front view is in another direction. We are not going to consider that. We will create from the side so that the V is there in the front view. We are going to create a single sketch in which the V will be in the front. So the base one, let us observe the distance first. Let us see the calculate the value for the block. Okay, V block portion. So the total distance is 80 and here on the other side it is 100. Okay, and 20 offset on all two sides are mentioned, which means it is on all sides. So you see the side view, in the side it is 80, in which 20 plus 20 40 will be on both sides. So the balance is only 40. So the V block base, the V portion bottom line will be only 40. Then the height, we have to consider the height. So in the height, the total height from the bottom is 70 and the 20 for the block is there. Okay, the base block 20 height is there. So 70 minus 20 will be 50. So we will create this line, horizontal line for 40 and then a vertical line for 50 and then we will draw the V portion. So for the V portion, you see in the back side the dimension is given 10 plus 20 plus 10. So total 40, 10, 20, 10. Okay. Now we have to draw this one by one, and this for the V block, V portion, the angle and all is not given, only the height is given. The height is 15 and this feature need to be extruded for 60 units. So we will try to draw this and extrude it first. Set work directory, that is the better thing. So here I am going to use my folder and select that as a work directory. Now go to new, as usual, select the part. Okay, let us name it as ex1. Give OK. First go to sketch, select this sketching plane, give sketch, come to this sketch view. Okay, if you hold the cursor there, it will show you. Okay, sketch view. Now we are going to create that V portion. So always you have to set the dimension first. Okay, we are going to line, go to line, select this point and draw a single line. Okay, here for my convenience I am drawing on the reference line itself and press the middle button twice or press escape twice. Okay, so that we will come out of that line. And now you could see the dimensions. Our dimension is only 40 but it is 400. So first you draw a single line, change the dimension and it will re-scale it automatically. Okay, so this is the first step that you have to do, particularly learners. Okay, if you are learning this software for the first time, it is convenient for you to draw a single line, change the dimension for that line as per your requirement, so that the component, the entire model is scaled down to your requirement. Okay, now as usual, here it is. We have to put it in the middle. Okay, we have to make that line in the middle because the V block is coming. Generally, if object is there, we will try to put it in the middle of that reference line. In this case, the V portion is going to come above in the center, so it is compulsory that you have to bring it to middle. Okay, so 40 and 20. Once you have set this, now go and draw the other lines. Okay, a vertical line, and probably maybe you just draw this line and change the dimension. This dimension is 50. As we have seen, it is 50. Now fit this. Okay, refit. So now you could see the component, no, the shape of the component you have achieved. It will be easy for you to draw lines now. Just draw a horizontal line and this V block line and another one here. Okay, or probably you just draw one side. That will be easy for you. Set the dimensions and then complete the other thing. Now this dimension, go to dimension. Okay, for change the dimension, go to dimension here. Okay, and no, come closer to the dimension. It will be highlighted. Double click. Okay, double click that and enter the value. It will be 10 in this case. And the other dimension is from this line. The angle is not given, but the vertical distance is given. So go, our dimension is already there. Select this line and this point. Come to this region and press the middle button. Okay, to create the dimension, you have to press the middle button. Okay, so the vertical dimension is coming. Okay, this is 15 is what is given, right? So for creating the dimensions, go to dimension, select this line, select the point, come here and press the middle button. So dimension will be created. Now press the middle button so that it will come out of the dimension command. Now you have come out of the dimension command, go to line. Okay, go to line, draw these lines. Okay, from the base. See, now you can make it equal. So when you go closer, it will become equal. And this line, see, when it is highlighted, no, in green, it is equal, and this is also will be equal. So the other side you can easily draw. You can even do symmetry. Okay, you can mirror it, but generally this is easy for you. So you finish it. Okay, the sketch is completed. Okay, now go to extrude and select this sketch. Okay, when you go closer to the sketch, move the cursor closer to the sketch, it will be highlighted. Select that, then it will be extruded. Okay, so you can extrude and give the distance. This distance we have to give, which is 60. Okay, so it is 45 is coming, we have to make it 60. So this is the dimension. Now you can finish it as it is also, but for my convenience, okay, or to make it, I'll use this command symmetry. Okay, we have to learn the various options also. So we will use this option symmetry. Now if you use this symmetry, the material will be added on both sides of the sketch. Okay, you can see in the screen. So you can use symmetry. It is optional only, it is not compulsory. So once you do it, finish it. So the first portion is over now, right? Now then we will come to the base. Okay, the base, you look at the dimension of the base, it is 80, height 20. So but it is on the other side 100. Okay, we are going to draw the bottom surface, the surface. We are going to sketch the surface where this rectangular V portion is going to rest. We are drawing the bottom. So which means we are going to create a rectangle of 80 cross 100. Okay, 80 cross 100 oriented. The 100 should be oriented along the 60 length, and the 80 should be oriented along the 40 length of that V block, and then extrude it for 20 units. So this is how we are going to create this model. Now we have the base block which we are going to we will create in the bottom surface. Okay, we are going to create it in the bottom surface. So let us look at the dimensions. Okay, so we will do it now. So go to sketch, select this sketching plane, the base plane. Okay, the base plane, and give sketch and sketch view. See, it will come like this. Now we need to just draw a rectangle. Go to rectangle. Okay, say completely outside this object. Okay, give you a start point, move it and end it completely outside. So the rectangle is going to completely outside, nowhere it is in contact. So just draw a rectangle like this. Now give the dimensions. So in the 60 in the 60 direction, the 60 units length, it will be 100. So this dimension is 100. Okay, we have to put it in the middle. I will come back to that. And this dimension is 80. Okay, now this one we have to put in the middle. Okay, so you can select a dimension to hold the left button and move it. Okay, double click it, it is 40. So it is coming in the middle. You can fit it. Now this is put in the middle, but for the other side, you see the dimension is coming at from the previous block it is coming. Actually this distance is 20, you can give it as 20, or else you can create dimension from the center plane to this also. Okay, so here you can calculate the dimensions and give it as 20. Okay, now this is done. Okay, so you see we have created 100 cross 80 and put it in the middle, finish it, that's all. Okay, so the sketch is completed. Go to extrude, select this sketch, it will be extruded. Let me change the dimension, it is only 20. See, it is 20. That's all. Completed. The model is completed now. You can go to file, save. Okay, already the name and all is given, so it is saved. You can see in the base bottom left now of the screen, exercise 1 has been saved. Thank you for watching the video. The component can be modeled in any CAD modeling software like SolidWorks or CATIA or UGNX by following the same method with a minimum change in the name of the modeling tools or icons they offered by that software. All the best.